The strong winter storm as it blows from the...
We just met the wedding, some of them, at Rage Festival in Phoenix. And we told the guitar player that in the van we like to sing one of the songs. It's confusing. All the names start with R on their EP.
Yeah,
it's the slow song. What's it called? Return or receive, redeem, retrieve.
I have it on my iPhone.
Revive.
Relevant.
Revelation.
Redemption.
Resender.
Rascal. River Runs Through It with Brad Pitt.
Rex.
Random. But in the van, when that song comes on, we all sing that song with lisps. We go, hold on tight, Jesus Christ, satellites are calling. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, that's how we do it. We're not alone. We're not alone. Let's play it.
Caller. Okay. Which one would it be?
The last one.
Redeem,
That's what it's called. Get to the chorus. Can you kids hear that out there? To our bones.
Sing it, everyone.
Just make it home.
Inside with me. Reverse is our part. We need to.
We cannot afford to be afraid anymore. Let's stay the course. Hold on tight, Jesus Christ. Satellites are calling.
Alright. That's how we do it. This environment, the acoustics. I can't perform in here.
There it is again.
Woo!
It's driving me nuts, people. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you have any more questions.
I'm kind of shot on questions, to be honest
Okay.
with you. I found out a lot of information about you. And
It's good, right?
it's good. I'm entertained by Katy K, everyone. Stay tuned to all of her videos. Tune in next week. She's
Gonna be juggling fire.
she's actually a new litter of puppies are expected from.
Actually, it's funny thing you should say that. My mom wants to have.
No, I talked to her earlier. She told me that you're having one of the academy is puppies.
No,
She's
she's neutered.
Katie, just let me finish. And you have new puppies on the way, and she says that she's naming them after the guys in Waverly.
Hey.
You're gonna have a little mat. You're gonna have help me out.
Set.
Well, I know Seth. I'm just.
So, Randy, you want to get and say hi to the video real quick?
Dave.
I'm cool behind the scenes.
Isn't that Andrew?
Andrew.
Or an Adam?
Coon.
That's
I'm thinking of the wedding.
And the drummer. Oh man. Cut all this out. They're not gonna watch this probably, but we only played like 5 shows with them, and we're friends. We're actually going on tour with Waverly
I can't wait.
and House of Heroes in May. TheRedAirplanes.com, MySpace.com/TheRedAirplanes, YouTube.com/TheRedAirplanes. Check tour dates.
I make all those.
Check Joel's video blog updates. And also have a worship album coming out in May. Stay tuned, all you worship music fans.
I feel like I'm supposed to be running sound
Listen, Invisible
right now.
Children's great. We have to go. We have to go
Okay.
start the show.
Okay, guys, real fast. Name two songs you want us to put on your MySpace playlist. Our playlist.
How about Planet Round? Of ours?
Yeah.
How about Planet Round?
And
And wild card. Pick one. I'll pick a wild card.
Okay, well, you guys, that was the Red Airplanes. Well, part of the half the band, and you guys should really check them out. MySpace.com/the Red Airplanes, and I'll see if we're gonna do a contest with them. So, see ya. And if we are, they'll post the video, unlike Sleeper Sleepers. All right.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay.
brings danger to our bones, but with careful retreat, oh, as careful can be, we might just